Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video we are going to see how to do calculation for localized orbital locator, also known as LOL calculation in multi-wave function tool. So we'll be using multi-wave function tool for this calculation, and for this calculation we also need the output file from the Gaussian calculation with the formatted checkpoint file. I am already having the formatted checkpoint file over here. You can see I am having the formatted checkpoint file for this molecule. So what we need to do is we need to open the multi-wave function tool program and double click on the exe file and drag your formatted checkpoint file over here and press enter, and there you need to select option number 4, which talks about the output and plot specific property in a plane, because the LOL will be in a plane, right? So we'll select serial number 4, press enter, and now we are going to do the localized orbital locator calculation, that is the LOL. So we'll simply click on 1 0, press enter. Now here we need to select option number 5, which talks about the shaded relief map with projection. So we'll select 5, press enter. We'll take the default value over here, so we'll simply select press enter. Now here I am going to put my LOL in XG plane, sorry, YG plane. So I am going to press serial number 3 and press enter. Now here I need to put a specific some value where that will be the width of distance between your molecule and your that plane of LOL. I'm just going to put some default value, which is here they are giving example of 0.02. I'm going to put exactly 0.2, press enter. One figure will appear here, and that will be your LOL thing. So that figure has appeared over here, and this is your localized orbital locator. Now you can use up and down tool to move your figure, but I'm going to save in the same format. So going to return, and if you want to save this figure, you need to press 0 and then enter, and your figure will be saved in the same folder with the disklink.png name, and that you can use for your publication purpose. It has a good quality over here. So this is the way you can do the calculation for LOL. And if you have any doubt pertaining to this video, put in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.